I'm coming. I'm on my way. I'm here now. Okay, I'm here. Calm down. Hey, y'all. Today's video is sponsored by Filty. This partnership is a bit more important. It's a bit more urgent. So Filty is this company that usually manufactures like filters for your HVAC systems, like your AC and all that stuff in your home. Reusable filters at that. But because of the coronavirus outbreak and their just moral obligation to really help out during this time, they actually pivoted over to making this nanofiber for face masks. Always dope when somebody has resources and transitions them into things that can help people. So they're working around the clock to produce this nanofiber material, which I actually have right here. It's in this Ziploc bag just to like safeguard it. It has an efficiency rate up to 95%, so it's good at filtering stuff. It's better than like cotton materials. I know a lot of us are making face masks out of clothes, socks, like all kinds of things. So they're selling this patent pending nanofiber material to customers, to consumers, to us, to me, to you at cost. So however much it costs for them to make it is however much they're selling it for. So you can actually buy the material and make masks for yourself. You can make them for your local first responders, which is what I'm gonna do. This material is reusable if you need to reuse them, but you know, single use is the safest option. You can buy these in different like lengths, 21 square feet where you can make 50 to 80 masks, 107 square feet where you can make 250 to 400 masks, and 215 square feet where you can make 500 to 800 masks. So I think this is like a pretty good deal, and it's gonna help out you, it's gonna help out the people that are fighting the coronavirus every single day. But definitely contact your local authorities if you're gonna be making these for first responders and stuff like that, just to see where the drop-off location might be and if there are any regulations and things like that. I don't know about y'all and where you all live, but I see way too many people out walking around with no mask on, no kind of protection, nothing. But I do know that a lot of people don't have access. You know, access is a big word right now. Not a lot of people have access to face mask materials and sewing machines and things like that. So for those of you who do, let's go ahead and get some of this. Get it. I don't have access to masks. I can't just go into Target, Walmart, whatever, and find face masks. So having this nanofiber here that I can turn into a mask is great. If you're interested in using Filty for your masks or the creation of masks for others, just click the link in my description and use promo code WillOnAWhim for 10% off of your order. Stay safe, wash your hands for at least 20 seconds, and 6 feet back, okay? Because some of y'all ain't taking that seriously. But anyway, let's get into the video. What's up, everybody? My name is Will, the Giselle Noel Stallion. In light of the recent Savage remix featuring Beyonce, I've gone ahead and erased my former identity, so if anybody asks from now on, I was raised in Houston, Texas. So welcome back to another episode of Will Giselle Noel Stallion on the Whim. Today we're taking a quick dive back into 2018 because one, 2020 is whack, but also two, because in 2018 I was mostly using Shea Moisture products. That's right, Shea Moisture done made its way back onto my darn pantry full of products. 3 months ago I purchased 2 products from the coconut custard line at Target. They looked so scrumdiddlyumptious, so boom.
Yeah. My toilet costs more to your rent.
Fast forward 3 months, why haven't I used them yet?
That doesn't make no sense.
But today is the day, let's get into it.
Yeah, get into it.
Whoa, I know, okay, it's bad. Just don't look at me. I washed my hair and I let it sit in a microfiber towel for like an hour because I got distracted. So now we dry again, but bruh, like it's okay, just leave me alone.
Bruh, look at this dude. Look at the top of his head.
Like, stop clowning me. Just leave me alone now.
Stop it! I have never in my life yelled at a girl like this.
So like I said, I've already gone ahead and washed my hair, shampoo, condition, deep condition, and then I let my hair sit in a microfiber towel for about an hour. So yeah, we're dry again, but that's okay. I'm just gonna section my hair and get out my little spray bottle to reapply the moisture. First, I'm gonna go in with the Make It Last Wash and Go Curl Primer. Y'all went up on Instagram for this. Some of y'all were like, it changed my life. So let's try it out. It squeezed out of the bottle super freaking creamy, and immediately my nostrils picked up a coconut pastry. So 10 out of 10 so far. Also, is there food around here? I'm a little hungry. Like 8-year-old me standing in front of a McDonald's playpen full of bacteria. Let's jump right into it. Applying the curl primer, the first thing you notice is that there's so much slip. Nah, for real, like this was the real deal. This was like a slide. Banana peel, kitchen with like vegetable oil on the tiles. Drake doing a Tootsie slide. Really just blew me away there. So in the future, if I use this, I do know that I would use it for detangling. I had to check in the mirror to see if it was true. And it was.
What is that?
Next up, I picked up a scam. I picked up what can only be described as a catfish. Nice try, Jay-Z. The Make It Last Wash and Go Gel Oil. What is that? I thought this was a whole custard when I picked it up because coconut custard line, and Shea Moisture usually puts their custards in those similar containers. First feelings, bamboozled. Second wave of feelings, innovation. Let's give it a try. So when I saw the consistency of this gel oil, I immediately knew it wasn't gonna work. A defining oil? I don't know, it just don't sound like it's gonna work. But here we go, nevertheless, it says it's gonna define my hair, so let's try it. So I apply the product and it's feeling good. Okay, everything is normal here. Definitely applying like an oil. Made my hair really, really shiny, which is nice. But if I was looking for shiny, I'd just go watch Beyonce's 1+1 music video.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I came here for definition, honey. So let's keep going to see what it's given. Did I use that right? It's serving? Add a little bit more water. That creamy curl primer, super moisturizing with a good slip. And the gel oil.
Yeah, man, come up and say, oh, fuck!
Sir, what is this? This is where Miss Angry stepped into the room because I spent my good old coin on this, and this ain't it. This ain't it. Where's the flavor?
Where's the flavor?
I done went from dry yana to frizzy yana. And for those of you in the back, that's the opposite of definition. And y'all not finna be disrespecting Websters out here, not on my watch.
Not on my watch.
Listen, there's nothing wrong with frizz, really. There's nothing wrong with it. Sometimes I'm like welcoming it. I'm just disappointed because I was expecting one thing and I got a whole other thing. It's kind of like when they replaced the black girl on Xenon the sequel. It's like we stand Raven, but what's going on there? So we're done. Not finished, but done. Like, I'm done. I've had frizzy volume before and it looked good. There was shape and it felt like a sturdy wash and go. This ain't it.
Please! Jesus Christ.
And then when it dried, it looked dry. I don't know, this line just wasn't for me, I guess. I had high hopes, but that's okay. Not every product on the shelves are gonna work for me. Not every product on the shelf is gonna work for you. This is a classic example of what works for you does not always work for me. And also, not every product from one brand is gonna work for you. Because listen, I love me some Shea Moisture, the curl enhancing smoothie from the coconut and hibiscus line, one of my favorites. Also, the intensive hydration hair mats with the manuka honey and the mafura oil, that one, love it. And that's not to say that this was totally bad. Clearly, I got body, there's movement, and it smelled pretty good. You would have thought that little rat from Ratatouille was in the kitchen. And despite that it didn't look moisturized, it felt moisturized. So let me know down below if you've tried these products, if you liked them, if you didn't like them, why. Maybe I made a critical error, maybe I missed a step, and maybe you have the answer to that. So let me know down below. But that brings us to the end of another episode of Will Giselle Knowles Stallion on a Whim. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. And if you want to stick around, be my friend, be my homie, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, and my second YouTube channel, WillOnAWhim More. Also, this is kind of the last video that I'm filming in this apartment. Like, literally everything else in my apartment is packed up right now because you all know that I'm moving. The only thing that's still here is obviously the stuff behind me. So say goodbye to this set. In the new apartment, I'll have a whole room dedicated to this whole thing, so there won't be my bed in the background. So, yeah, that's it. Hope to see you all back here for another episode of Will on a Whim, but until then, bye.